Imagine being in a group of friends who want to catch up, share jokes, and pass notes without anyone else knowing what's being said. Sure, they could each whisper or pass notes one by one, but that would be tedious, and there's always a risk of someone else overhearing or intercepting the notes. Instead, they opt for a secret language, a code of sorts that only they understand. This, in essence, is what VPN does in the cyber world. It's a group of devices communicating securely using a common language, or in technical terms, a common encryption key. The key server in VPN functions like the friend who invents and distributes the secret language. It's the one responsible for creating the encryption keys and distributing them to all the members of the group. This key server can be a physical device or a software application, but its role remains the same: to ensure secure communication within the group. The group members are like the friends in the group. Each one needs to register with the key server and receive the secret language or the encryption key. Once they have this key, they can use it to encrypt their messages, ensuring that only their friends, the other members of the group, can understand them. Access control lists, or ACLs, function like the rules of the secret language. They dictate who can use the language and what they can say. They control which traffic is allowed to traverse the VPN. For example, an ACL could be configured to only allow traffic from the company network to pass through the VPN. Troubleshooting in VPN is similar to figuring out why a friend didn't show up at the meeting spot. There could be various reasons, and it would require some investigation to pinpoint the exact cause. Similarly, in VPN, various tools can help diagnose and resolve issues. Now, to differentiate between IPsec VPN and VPN, picture this. You're throwing a party, and you want to ensure only invited guests can enter. IPsec VPN is like hiring a separate bouncer for each guest. Each guest would need to individually verify their identity before entering. This can be cumbersome, especially with a large guest list. On the other hand, VPN is like having a central bouncer who checks the IDs of all guests and provides them with a security badge. This badge allows guests to enter without further checks, making the process much more efficient. To sum it all up, IPsec VPN is more suited for one-to-one connections, while VPN is designed for group communication. VPN offers better scalability and security because it uses a central key server to manage the encryption keys for all group members. It's like having a secret language for secure, efficient, and easy group communication.